illegal. Cut it off at the source.
This.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Whisk it. Are you sure you can do this?
Nope.
God. Oh my god! You're amazing!
Look out for yourself, should always be the rule.
Slide on top.
Get your heart
Lift it.
That's the one that burned everything down.
don't you be a fool.
Oh my god, that looks amazing though. Look where we are!
There's water.
Look. More and more and more and more.
That's like 50 steps. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just joking.
I was wrong, and I just can't live without you. Any kind of
Okay, the challenge is to pour this into there, but keep the flower design at the top. Are you up for the challenge?
Yep. Still there.
Perfect.
It's still there.
Go, Shawnee. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. He just got a really big, important bucket list show.
Yeah, and I'm gonna bring it to the airport right before the show.
Yeah.
She's gonna miss it. I'm sorry. I love you.
Hey, look where we are.
We're back in Colas, Quebec.
This is the spot where we fell in love.
Where she fell in love with me.
Shut up. But for real, if you remember the vlog, Scary Hours Part 3, when I came to Canada and I hung out with him.
Yeah, me.
This is the spot, remember?
Yeah,
where
we
you
were
flipped
filming.
me off?
Yeah. Don't slip and die.
Why?
Guys, I love you.
Okay, I'm gonna jump off.
No. Oh, goodbye.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among your stars.
The benches are in the ground though. I was so scared I was gonna like fall through. It was like this so I could throw a snowball at you.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm following you. Come on, run, Texas girl. God, it's cool.
You fall in.
Yeah, it would have been super funny.
We're at my favorite poutine place. He doesn't think it's the best, but I think it's the best, so it's the best, right? What do you do?
Take that, and you put it in there.
Do it.
You just grab it, you turn it, then you shove it in your mouth. Roll it like you mean it. See?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Usually do that outside
On the
in the
real
snow. Yeah, but
But we have,
yeah, we're in the
we have a
restaurant,
fake
so
table.
yeah, fake.